This hazard light button is also your flasher relay. If you're having issues with your flasher, it's not flashing or intermittently flashing, or they stop flashing, you go back, you fiddle with the light bulb, and they start flashing, you put the panel back in, and the next day they stop flashing, chances are it's this and not the light bulb or the flasher bulb or the circuit board that contains your flasher lights. Replacing this fixed all my turn signal flashing problems. This is what a new one looks like, and the kind of tabs that are on it. Just pressing these in on each side, thing will come out. So what I use is a knife. Pry it out. And then it just unplugs on the back here. For all the people out there that always want to know how things look inside or how they work, this is the inside of the hazard flasher button switch. So you can see why in some of the threads they talk about spraying WD-40 in here, and it helps or fixes problems such as rear flashing or rear flasher lights, blinker lights that are not working. And once they've sprayed WD-40, they will work. You can see this is just made up of a whole lot of contacts. And they're kind of sticky. This one wasn't working. My rear flasher lights weren't flashing, and or they would flash sporadically or intermittently. And anyway, so I replaced the plug, and immediately they started working correctly. This is the old plug. Anyway,